students, we have the solution right now. To what the problem? We need to find index of an element. So this is my problem. Okay, I'm just trying to find the index of the such element which is required to. If I need to find the index of the 45 or other things we can do. So just let me print the my temporary array, that is here. So it will print the all the values, that is the 56, 45, 3 and 23, 44. So this would be this very simple concept. There is no issue. Good. So this is a list. Let me check whether the index method can be do. Of course, we will do. So if I try to print temp ar dot index method. So let me check index method is working or not. So just index method. Which position? 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'm putting the 3. So what value to be written by? Yes, please tell me what value should be written by this index method. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, please tell me which value to be written by this method or which value to be printed, what value to be printed over here?
23.
23. So just let me execute and see the
23.
result. Okay, good. Let me see. Now it is returning the 2. Why?
Sir, its index is 2, sir. 0, 1, 2. 3 is in second position.
3 is
Is in second position, sir. It starts from 0.
yes, of course. So in this index position, what value we need to find? That is 3. So 3 is on the 2 index value. So what we need to do? It will return. It will return the value after passing index value. Okay, so we are passing 3, so it will return 2. So the it will return the index value of entered number. So this is the point. Okay, so we are getting the index value of the 3. So if I'm just doing the 23, so what answer will we get? That is a 3. So it will return the index value of the entered number. So this index method followed by the array. Okay. Yes, please. Now tell me. So we need to get the index value of such number, then we can see. So we need to find the index of the number, so we can do. So this is by using the index method, so we can do. So I'm writing over here by using index index method. So by using index method, we can do. Just let me write correctly. Yes, please. So we can do, of course. And same thing we can also apply for the list as well. So it will find properly without any doubt. Yes, please tell me.
If we want to find element, we have entered the number of index.
You want to find the element on the specific index position we
Ah,
need to. Okay, so your query is just like to find the index value or index value. So how you can find? So it is very since you need to find the value on the value of the index value. Might it is simple, just take print temp ar and now at which position 3 index value. So on this 3 index value, what is value to be stored? 23. Now see, it will return 23.
yes.
So this simple method. Okay, so index method will return the index value of the entered number, and now keep in mind this number should be part of the our list. List, or we can say array. Suppose I am putting here the 43 and which is not into our list. Now see what result will be. We will get an error because x is not in array. So that is the point you need to keep in mind. This 23, 44, what we are looking for, that should be part of the our array. So we will get the answer properly. And it was a very simple concept you are asking me, sir, if we're passing the index value and what value we get it. So of course just into the array or list, just we need to pass the only index value and we can get the answer within a few minutes or within a few seconds. Yes, please tell me. Is it clear to all? Find the index of an element.